How was your conversation with Bully?
Better than I thought. Because I didn't use your methods.
Typical. Never you listen to me. What did you say?
I used a metaphor to beg indirectly for mercy, but Bully didn't get it. So then I asked for forgiveness in plain English, and that worked.
Well done, Jova.
But Bully said he will make an announcement today, and I should be prepared to leave my comfort zone.
That's exciting.
That is scary. I need to talk to Mr. Agile. What's up?
Going good. What is top of your mind today?
How do I leave my comfort zone? I mean, practically.
You want to become a dangerous woman, don't you? Well, hiding is easy. Quitting is easy. And staying in your current position is easy. But fighting for something, conquering new domains, continuing after first failures, that's the tough part. Okay?
Tell me more.
You need the courage to start, with no guarantee of succeeding. Courageous people have dreams and set goals. They make a plan, and then they just start. If you perceive every step forward as a learning experience, and every setback as a lesson too, then this makes you stronger. Failure is a prerequisite for success. Okay?
So it's all about willpower, isn't it? This is the goal. This is what I dreamed about. This is what I said I was going to do. I cannot quit before I reach that goal.
Yes, you can say that. But let's get practical now. This is what you asked for. Can you overcome this wall and get to the top over there?
I can't.
Wrong answer.
I will find a way.
Much better.
It's beautiful in here.
Glad you like it. The grass is always greener, outside your comfort zone.
Hello team. First of all, I am surviving. Not sure if this is good news for you. But I was thinking a lot these days. And I took 3 decisions. Number 1. I am retiring. I realize I have the right ambitions, but the wrong style to achieve them. And I will take the consequences now. Number 2. Command Z misappropriated $8 million from our cash. The police is waiting outside. Number 3. Having said that, I appoint Java and Hector to lead the Moonshot Factory. Both have proven to build amazing products and shift the company into a new era. And now lunch is waiting. I have to eat my carrot. See you soon.
I will make this undone. Ever heard of the shortcut command Z? I will make this undone.
Let's celebrate.
Let's make some music.
Got a fever and you're burning up fast. He'll love and leave you like a thing of the past. He'll break your heart, girl, and run, 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 run. The damage he's done. Sweet little whispers he will say in your ear. I know that Mr. Man is loving my dear. He'll break your heart like it's fun, 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 fun. That boy's a loaded gun. Ooh, take it to the grave. Ooh,
Java. I have a message for you from Command Z. If he leaves prison, your life will be hell.
Take it to the grave, and don't admit to all the loving you gave. Take it to the grave, every kiss upon your lips, you're gonna wish that they were his. Yeah. Got a fever and you're burning up fast. He'll love and leave you like a thing of the past.